In this video, you will learn step by step how you can fully set up a Monzo banking account from scratch. So this is what the Monzo app will look like as soon as you open it. So the first thing we need to do is select I'm new to Monzo. And then from here, you now need to enter in your email address. From here, you now need to verify your email address. So select open email app, click on your email app of choice. And then the email will look something like this. Now you want to select a login to Monzo app. That will then take you back over to Monzo, and then from here you can continue the process. So it will now ask you where you live. You can select the country of residence. For me, it would be United Kingdom. Click on confirm, and then you'll then be brought over to here. Now you can select allow, click on next, and then you want to select what kind of account you would like. So for me personally, I will click on personal account, click on next. And now from here, you need to enter in your name, and this needs to match your identification because you will need to identify at a later stage to confirm your account. Now, once you've entered in your personal information, so your first, last name, and also date of birth, click on next. And then from here, you now need to enter in your home address. Now, once you enter in your address, just double check to confirm that this is correct and then select yes, this is correct. Now, once you have done this, you simply need to enter in your mobile phone number to get a verification code. And then from here, you can then enter in that specific verification code. Once you do this, click on next. And the last step will now be to verify your identity. So this could be a passport, it could be a driving license, or anything that you have to verify your identity. And that would be the last step in the setup process. So what this means is once you have done this, that will mean that you have opened a brand new Monzo account. So if this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.